Kaylan turns 18 today. In case you might not remember who is Kaylan, yes, Kaylan Dowdie is a 17-year-old young lady who was jumped by 6 adults at a party and was almost killed. She has been in the university hospital since then. It's more than 6 months now, and she has been fighting for her life ever since. The latest is that she's still on a ventilator because she cannot breathe on her own for too long. And today is her birthday. So Kaylan celebrates her birthday today, June 21st. And her mother, Venetia Buckley, recently gave an update as to how her daughter is doing at this point. The most recent video was posted on her YouTube page. And in that footage, she seems to be very elated over her daughter's progress, giving thanks for the small things that she's now able to do. Kaylan, as I said before, was badly injured, and this resulted in a C2 spinal injury, which she received after the group of women ganged and beat her into an unconscious state. At this time, Kaylan is on the mending side. Kaylan has been progressively improving. The goal now is to get her off the ventilator, which is taking a bit more effort since factors are hindering her to achieve this. According to her mother, Kaylan was taken off the ventilator last week as she was getting better, and even had her hopes of spending her birthday at home. However, she went unresponsive on Tuesday and had a seizure on Wednesday, which caused the medical practitioners to place her back on the ventilator. Her mother expressed that because of the seizures and inconsistency in Kaylan's breathing, she's not able to get off the ventilator. But hopefully, finding out the cause of the seizures will help her to move off the ventilator. Venetia stated that she is not worried as she knows where her daughter is coming from, and at this point she's at a 95% chance of recovery, a far cry from what the doctors had initially stated when she went to the hospital, and they stated she had a 1% chance of surviving. The level of recovery that Kaylan is experiencing now, according to her mother, finds her laughing, talking, and moving her legs, even though she cannot walk. Kaylan's mother even mentioned that Kayla is very excited about her birthday, requesting to get a wig, the long 21-inch blonde wig, a ventilator cake, and Springsy yellow shorts to celebrate her special moment. Kaylan turns 18 today, and we wish her a speedy recovery and God's continued blessing. God has been good to her. He has taken her from a state of unconsciousness to now being conscious, to a state of might not be able to walk, to now moving her hands and her feet. She's now talking and she's now eating. Gosh, we can't wait for those victory news that she's up and running. You go, girl. You are a survivor. You are a fighter. And God has a plan for your life.